be talking about the TA-ACTM modulating fail-safe low voltage actuator. In this video today, we will cover a few things. We will talk about the wiring for this actuator, technical specifications of this actuator, as well as the different valves that this actuator is compatible to. This fail-safe actuator can work in two different ways, normally open and normally closed. If the actuator is driving clockwise based on the indication knob, that means this fail-safe is normally open. If the actuator is driving counterclockwise, that means that the fail-safe is normally closed. This actuator has a standard cable length of 3 feet long, it has a normally closed force of 28 pounds force, and it has a drive time of 10 seconds. The total stroke of this actuator, when not mounted to a valve, is 0.177 inches. This actuator has the ability to do jam recovery. What that means is that if the actuator is mounted to a valve and it becomes stuck or detect that it is not going to full stroke, the actuator has the ability to reverse the motor and try to go that stroke again. It will continue to do this until it can overcome any clog or any blockage detected by the actuator on the valve. This actuator has the following wiring sequence. The white wire is your common wire. The black wire is your 24 volt signal to the motor. The red wire, this is your 0 to 10 control signal or your 0 to 20 milliamp control signal. And the green wire is your feedback wire. This actuator is compatible with 3 different valve types, the TA modulator, the TBVCM valve, as well as the TA compact P valve. When mounting this actuator to a valve, you want to do hand tighten torque only. What that means is you want to get the thumb nut over the valve and tighten it down until the thumb nut becomes pretty secure on the valve. You do not need any tools or any over-torquing. Over-torquing of the thumb nut can cause it to crack. One thing to keep into consideration when mounting this actuator to a valve is that there are only 2 mounting positions. You got your vertical position and you got your horizontal position. To learn more about this actuator, go to our website at www.imi-hydronic.com. Again, www.imi-hydronic.com, and in the search bar above, type in TA-ACTM actuator. Thank you.